Ito, nagkakarambola na naman po yung peloton natin. Hinipis na. Okay. Si Boss Dondon may anak siya player din, si Ice, no? So, hoping Ronald Oranza, Marco Lumano, Kenneth Marama. Medyo bumagalo kasi nagkakarga na ng timer yan eh.
Dito si Aidan.
So, Go for Gold Race Series, habit sa atin ang PCSO Go for Gold, PCSO Scratch It, City de Mare. Anyway, Booster CTN, Nicholas Epicus, Spin Cycle, Neo Zigma, CC Lex, Hytera, CCN, Nickel Asia, Phil Cycling in the City Game. Cebu. Salamat po sa inyo.
Kumbaga. So let's see. 9 laps to go. Para po sa ating main elite. Ito na po yung ating main event for today. 2, 3, 4. 4 groups.
Last 8 laps, bell lap na tayo, 7th lap natin. Will be a great lap. Pero may sprint, Ronald Oranza, sprinter. Kenneth Maramba, sprinter. Marco Luano, alam mo, nag-sprint. And who will win the Exxon TPU? Tumawid na rin naman.
Carcueva.
Junrit Carcueva. Junrit Carcueva.
Tatlo sprinter na to dito.
So another red lap. So si Billy.
So magkasunod tayo perfect slow. Pagbalik nila dito, lap 5 at lap 4 parehong sprint.
It's Ronald Oranza crossing neutral zone first.
Si John Mark Amiga, let's go.
About 7 riders.
Pabilis, kaya po nga ako sa car.
So ito na.
Lang.
Ay, last one.
Speed. It's winning time.
Paul Morales.
This is going to be a